Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our deep dive into some of the most perplexing and chilling cases in criminal history. Today, we're going to explore one of the most haunting unsolved cases from the 1990s, the murder of JonBenét Ramsey. This case has captivated and baffled both the public and law enforcement for decades, and as we sift through the evidence, media frenzy, and theories, we'll attempt to piece together the mystery surrounding this tragic death. Buckle up, because this story is as intricate as it is unsettling. Our story begins on the night of December 25, 1996, in Boulder, Colorado. JonBenét Patricia Ramsey was a 6-year-old beauty queen who seemed to have it all. Her family, John and Patsy Ramsey, were prominent figures in their community. They lived in a beautiful home in a quiet, affluent neighborhood. JonBenét, often described as a joyful and charismatic child, was the youngest of the Ramsey children. Her parents were known for their active involvement in local charity events and their well-established careers. On the morning of December 26, 1996, Patsy Ramsey discovered a ransom note on the stairs of their home. The note, demanding $118,000, was eerily detailed and specific. Following the instructions, Patsy called the police, who arrived promptly. What happened next was a tragic twist. The body of JonBenét was found in the basement of the Ramsey home later that day. The autopsy revealed a shocking and disturbing cause of death. JonBenét had suffered from a severe blow to the head and had been strangled with a garrote, a homemade device crafted from a piece of rope and a broken paintbrush. Additionally, she had bruises and abrasions, suggesting she had been physically abused. Initially, the investigation seemed straightforward: a ransom note, a broken family home, and a child victim. However, as detectives began to piece together the timeline and evidence, inconsistencies began to surface. The Ramseys, as well as their housekeeper, were all under scrutiny. The police interviewed them multiple times, trying to find any discrepancies or leads. The media's role in the JonBenét Ramsey case cannot be overstated. The story was a media sensation from the get-go, with tabloids and news outlets eager to report every new detail. This constant media presence complicated the investigation, as every new piece of information was scrutinized and often misreported. As the investigation progressed, several suspects emerged. Initially, the focus was on the family, particularly JonBenét's parents. The theory of an intruder also gained traction, and multiple individuals were considered suspects over the years. Key suspects included John Ramsey, the father whose behavior was scrutinized but ultimately did not lead to conclusive evidence; Patsy Ramsey, the mother who had her own theories and was intensely questioned, but remained a figure of public interest; the intruder theory. This theory gained momentum, suggesting an unknown perpetrator had entered the home. The Boulder Police Department faced significant challenges throughout the investigation. From missteps in evidence collection to the ongoing public scrutiny, these issues hampered the progress of the case. Additionally, the department had to deal with the complex legal and media landscape, which often overshadowed their efforts. Over the years, advancements in forensic science provided new leads and theories. DNA evidence, though initially inconclusive, played a crucial role in reopening the case. The ongoing debate over the validity of the evidence and the legal implications of these findings remain a focal point in the investigation. The JonBenét Ramsey case had a profound impact on both the media and the justice system. It influenced how child murder cases are reported and investigated, and it highlighted the challenges of handling high-profile cases. Additionally, it brought attention to issues surrounding child safety and media ethics. As of now, the JonBenét Ramsey case remains officially unsolved. Although there have been numerous leads and investigations, no one has been definitively charged. The case continues to be a topic of interest for both amateur sleuths and professionals alike. The Boulder Police Department and other agencies remain committed to solving the case. As we wrap up this deep dive into the tragic and mysterious case of JonBenét Ramsey, it's clear that the search for answers continues. Despite decades of investigation and numerous theories, the truth behind JonBenét's death remains elusive. The case serves as a sobering reminder of the complexities involved in criminal investigations and the impact of media on high-profile cases. Thank you for joining me on this journey through one of America's most enduring mysteries.